In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hover effects to buttons in Wix, enhancing your website's interactivity and engagement effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, adding hover effects can give your site a professional touch that keeps users interested and engaged. So, let's dive into the steps. First, navigate to the button on your Wix editor where you would like to add these hover effects. It's important to choose a button strategically that will benefit from these added interactions, such as call to action buttons that encourage users to explore further or make a purchase. Selecting the right button can make your site's user experience more intuitive and compelling. Once you've identified the button, click on it to reveal a list of options. Here, you want to select Settings. This is where you can start making your magic happen. By clicking on Settings, you're opening up a whole world of customization for your button, allowing you to tweak and adjust it to align with your brand's aesthetics and functionality needs. As you explore the settings, you'll notice there are numerous customization options available. These settings allow you to personalize the button's look and feel, ensuring that it not only serves its functional purpose, but also adds to the visual appeal of your site. Take your time to familiarize yourself with these different settings so you can make informed decisions about your design. Next, start experimenting with these varied settings to find what best suits your design needs. You have the power to adjust fonts, colors, shapes, and much more, giving you control over every aspect of the button's appearance. The goal here is to ensure that the button remains visually appealing while clearly guiding the user on what action to take next. An exciting part of this process is adding animation effects. Animations are subtle yet effective ways to grab a user's attention and guide them visually. In your settings, look for the animation options. This is where you'll be able to choose simple hover animations that can make a button grow, shrink, change color, or even reveal a hidden message when a user hovers over it. It's a simple, subtle way to engage users and add dynamism to your site. Finally, after exploring and selecting the right settings and animations that fit your vision, review your work to ensure everything appears and functions as expected. This quality check helps prevent any hiccups and ensures a smooth user experience. Remember to save your changes frequently to avoid losing any of your hard work. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added hover effects to your buttons in Wix. These new enhancements can dramatically increase the interactivity and aesthetic appeal of your website, making for a more engaging user experience. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.